Hi everyone, here's a quick video on how to save battery life on iPhone. Let's first start off by going to settings, scrolling down to display and brightness. Let's bring the brightness down to say 50%. Let's change to dark mode, back out to display and brightness. Let's go to accessibility, display and text. Let's turn on reduce white point, say put that to 50% or 55, whichever one you prefer. Now the darker you go, the harder it'll become to view the screen, so I tend to put it around say 50-55 is okay, but it all depends on yourself. So let's go back out to accessibility, let's scroll down to battery. Let's turn on low power mode. Let's go to privacy and security. Let's turn off location. Let's turn that off. Let's scroll down to analytics and improvements. Now I recommend you turn everything off in here. Back out from there. And also just make sure you've not got any applications open. If you have, you can shut them down as well. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. More content's coming in the near future,